Hi, my name is Turner Vitipka, and today I'm going to be going over value chain analysis, but with Faith Christian School in Rocky Mount, North Carolina. Faith Christian School is a small private Christian school here in Rocky Mount. So let's go over it. Value chain analysis is all about support activities and primary activities, and then how they reach a profit margin. Okay, so we have support activities and primary activities. Supporting activities are things like firm infrastructure, human resource management, technology development, and procurement. Primary activities are inbound logistics, operations, outbound logistics, marketing and sales, and services. So let's look at support activities. A main one for support activities, in my opinion, for the school is that the firm infrastructure is huge as far as they need to know what they're doing, what they believe, what the background of the company is. But human resource management is big and the most important thing because it decides who they hire as teachers, and how they support their teachers. And teachers are honestly kind of the main product because they reach out to the kids. And then technology development support as well, having technology to keep up with the kids and have computers for the kids and all these things. I don't think procurement necessarily, other than the classes that they teach and they offer. That's a big thing. But as far as getting those classes and buying them and having the right curriculums. Now, primary activities are inbound logistics, operations, outbound logistics, marketing, sales, and services. There's not a huge amount of inbound and outbound logistics in this. Their operations are very important because how do they function in the school and how do they make it all work? And then marketing and sales, they need to get new students constantly because they have kids who graduate. And so they're always looking to grow their school, and so they need to do a lot of marketing to let people know their school exists and what they offer, and then have applications. And then the services are big as well. They need to make sure people understand what they offer and how they are a great service. All right, and so looking at all this, margins is the most important part here because the value of Faith Christian creates has to outweigh the cost it has to create that value. And basically what that means is that whatever they're spending on creating the value, they need to be making more money. So, as they spend money on marketing, as they spend money on logistics, and as they even spend money on human resources and all these things, it needs to create a greater value to make them cash inflow. And that's really what this whole thing is about. And so I believe that they're doing a good job of this currently. The value chain analysis doesn't apply that well to Faith Christian School, in my opinion. It's not the greatest thing to look at, but it is helpful and beneficial just to see, how are you supporting people? What are you doing to create a great value? But there are other things like PEST and SWOT analysis and five forces that I think fit it much better. But this is an interesting analysis to go about. So hope it's been helpful. Thanks.